In this guide, I'll show you how to check your PS Portal battery level along with the battery percentage so that you can tell when your PS Portal is fully charged and exactly how much battery you have left. When your PS Portal is not connected to your PS5, you can easily check the battery from the top right corner. And when it's connected, you can check the battery from the status bar by tapping anywhere on the screen. And here's your battery icon. Or simply swipe left from the top right corner and you'll be able to see your battery level. But as you can see here, it only shows 3 bars, which doesn't accurately tell how much battery your PS Portal has left. So now I'll show you how you can enable the battery percentage. For that, just tap on settings from here, go to system, then select battery, and enable show battery percentage from here. That's all you need to do. Now if we check our battery again, you'll see a battery percentage right next to the icon. So that's how you can check the battery percentage of your PlayStation Portal. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more, and game on!